Best AI Video Generation Platforms. In this video, we'll review the main AI video generation platform by focusing on their key features, pricing, pros and cons, and which type of audience they best serve. We'll break down every tool so you can decide which one fits your content creation needs. And stick around until the end. After our overview, we'll take a deep dive into our top 3 picks for those who want the ultimate creative edge. Pictory AI is a cloud-based video creation tool that transforms your written content, be it a blog post, a script, or even a webinar recording, into engaging, professionally styled videos. The process is remarkably automated. Once you input your text, Pictory's AI scans it and breaks it into scenes, automatically matching each segment with relevant stock footage, background music, and even generating voiceovers. The user interface is designed as a storyboard, so you can easily see and tweak each scene without dealing with a complex timeline. Users often praise its ability to quickly convert long-form text into eye-catching social videos, though some note that the automatically selected visuals sometimes require manual fine-tuning to perfectly match the content. Pricing starts at around $19 per month on the starter plan, which provides a set quota of video minutes per month. There is also a professional plan that increases this quota to 600 minutes. But note that none of the plans offer truly unlimited usage. They all come with monthly limits. Pictory AI is best suited for faceless content creators, digital marketers, and small businesses that need to repurpose written content into videos quickly and efficiently. Reviews consistently highlight its speed, ease of use, and the significant time savings it offers over traditional video editing methods, making it an ideal choice for those who want to produce consistent, high-quality content without investing in advanced editing skills. Before we move on, feel free to leave any comment or question. I'll try to answer them all. Also, I'd love to know what kind of content you'd like to see in future videos. Now let's go on. Synthesia AI. Synthesia AI revolutionizes video creation by enabling you to generate talking head videos using realistic AI avatars. Instead of needing to film an actual presenter, you simply choose from a diverse library of digital avatars, each capable of speaking over 120 languages with natural-sounding accents, and input your script. The result is a video where a lifelike virtual presenter delivers your message with impressive lip sync and subtle facial expressions. The interface is clean and straightforward, guiding you through the process of selecting an avatar, entering your text, and then previewing the final video. Pricing begins at about $30 per month with a starter plan that typically provides around 10 minutes of video output per month, which might be enough for short promotional clips or training modules. For users needing more video content, there's a higher-tier creator plan offering roughly 30 minutes per month and options for custom avatars and multiple presenters. While some users appreciate the professional polish and the time-saving benefits of not having to set up a film shoot, others mention that the avatars, despite their high quality, can sometimes feel a bit static. Synthesia AI is particularly popular among corporate trainers, educators, and marketers who value consistency and the ability to produce multilingual videos with minimal hassle, even though it may not be the best choice for creators who need a highly personalized or emotionally nuanced on-screen presence. HeyGen, formerly known as Movio, offers an affordable yet robust solution for generating AI-powered avatar videos. With an interface reminiscent of a simple slide editor, HeyGen allows you to pick from a wide range of AI avatars and over 300 voice options in multiple languages. One of its standout features is the photo-to-avatar capability, where you can upload a picture and have the AI generate an avatar that resembles the subject. The process is very intuitive. Choose an avatar, paste your script, and the tool quickly renders a video complete with natural lip sync and background media. Many users appreciate the speed and simplicity of HeyGen, as well as the fact that the paid plans are structured to allow unlimited video creation, provided each video stays within a 5-minute limit on standard plans. The free plan is also attractive for those who want to experiment without upfront costs, although it does come with limitations such as watermarked outputs and a cap on the number of videos per month. HeyGen is ideal for content creators, influencers, and marketing teams who need to produce lots of short, engaging videos quickly, whether it's for product demos, explainer segments, or social media clips. While some users note occasional extra fees for premium features, and a 5-minute video limit per clip, the overall feedback is positive for those seeking a low-cost entry into AI video generation. InVideo AI combines the best of both worlds: the speed of AI-powered automation with the flexibility of a full-featured video editor. This platform begins by generating a draft video from your script, complete with automated scene creation, and then invites you to refine and customize the project using a drag-and-drop editor. With access to thousands of pre-made templates and a massive library of stock media, InVideo is versatile enough to handle everything from YouTube intros and trailers to comprehensive explainer videos. It even includes AI features such as text-to-video conversion, automatic voiceover generation, and captioning. Users enjoy the platform's ability to produce an initial draft quickly, which they can then polish to meet their creative vision. The pricing model includes a free plan that offers limited exports, with a watermark, and a set number of AI-generated minutes per week, while the Plus plan, starting at around $20 per month when billed annually, removes watermarks, upgrades the resolution to 1080p, and provides a larger quota for AI-generated content. The Pro plan further increases these limits and storage, catering to heavier users like marketing agencies and larger teams. Reviews tend to emphasize InVideo's versatility and the value of having both automated and manual editing options in one platform. It is particularly well-suited for entrepreneurs, social media managers, and YouTubers who need an all-in-one solution for both quick video production and detailed customization. Fleeky AI stands out as a powerhouse for generating ultra-realistic voiceovers paired with dynamic visuals. If narration is your primary focus, Fleeky converts your text into video with an emphasis on natural, human-like speech. The platform offers a vast library of voices across more than 75 languages and even includes voice cloning capabilities for a more personalized touch. The process is straightforward. Enter your script, and Fleeky automatically splits it into scenes, selects relevant visuals from integrated stock libraries, and generates subtitles. It even has a mode where you can turn a blog post into a video, making it ideal for repurposing content. Users consistently praise Fleeky's exceptional voice quality and the speed with which it produces a finished video, although some note that the visual customization is somewhat basic compared to more comprehensive editors. Pricing starts with a free plan that provides a limited number of minutes per month, and the standard plan, which is roughly $28 per month or lower with annual billing, increases your quota to about 3 hours of content per month. For users with greater demands, the premium plan at $88 per month offers 10 hours of content along with advanced features like voice cloning. Fleeky is best suited for YouTubers, podcasters, and content marketers who rely on engaging narration to tell their story, especially when they need to produce high-quality, spoken content quickly without the need for a human speaker. Kling AI. Kling AI represents the frontier of text-to-video generation, offering an innovative approach that creates video content entirely from scratch using generative AI models. Instead of merely editing existing footage, Kling AI generates brand new video clips based on your text prompts, producing cinematic quality visuals that can range from photorealistic scenes to stylized animations. Its advanced features allow users to not only convert text into video, but also control aspects like camera movement and motion, ensuring that even short clips have a dynamic, cinematic feel. Though the outputs are typically short, usually capped at around 5 to 6 seconds, each clip is crafted with attention to detail, including consistent character rendering and even lip sync if dialogue is included. Currently, Kling AI is largely available in a free beta phase, meaning early adopters can experiment without a traditional subscription, though there may be usage limits such as daily generation caps. Future pricing is expected to adopt a credit-based system, with paid tiers providing more generation time and higher resolutions. Kling AI is best suited for visionary creators and digital artists who want to experiment with groundbreaking visual storytelling, as well as filmmakers seeking concept footage or rapid visual prototyping. It's not yet the go-to tool for longer, narrative-driven content, but for short, artistic clips that push creative boundaries, Kling offers an exciting, cutting-edge option. Runway AI. Runway AI is an all-encompassing creative suite that marries traditional video editing with powerful AI tools. It offers not only text-to-video generation through its advanced Gen 2 model, but also a suite of magic tools such as background removal, object and painting, frame interpolation, and even real-time subtitle generation. Runway allows you to import your own footage and apply AI-driven effects that would normally require expert-level editing skills, such as removing unwanted objects or replacing backgrounds without a green screen. The platform is designed with collaboration in mind, offering cloud storage and multi-user access so teams can work together seamlessly. Pricing for Runway is flexible. There's a free basic plan that provides a limited number of AI generation credits and 720p exports, while the standard plan at around $15 per user per month, billed annually, ramps up to 625 credits and 1080p or 4K exports. For heavy users, the Pro plan provides even more credits and storage, and an unlimited plan is available for those needing unrestricted generation capacity. Reviews often praise Runway for its innovative tools that simplify traditionally labor-intensive processes, though some note that the credit system can be a bit confusing at first and that the learning curve is moderately steep compared to simpler video generators. Runway AI is ideally suited for professional video editors, VFX artists, marketers, and YouTubers who need a high degree of creative control and are willing to invest time into mastering its broad range of features. Hailuo AI, also marketed as Hello AI in some circles, focuses on delivering fast, mobile-friendly text-to-video generation with an emphasis on simplicity and speed. It allows you to enter a prompt and generate a short, high-quality video clip, usually around 6 seconds long, in just a matter of seconds. The technology behind Hailuo is optimized for rapid output without sacrificing visual quality. It supports both realistic and animated styles based on the nature of your prompt. One of its notable strengths is consistency. If your prompt involves a specific character or theme, Hailuo works to maintain that consistency throughout the clip, ensuring a cohesive look despite the brevity of the video. The interface is extremely minimalistic, often requiring no sign-up on the web version, making it accessible for casual use, while its mobile app offers premium subscription options for users who need higher generation speeds or unlimited creations. Pricing on mobile starts with a free tier, though for more frequent use, plans can be around $30 per month. Hailuo is especially popular among social media content creators, digital marketers, and casual users looking to create quick, eye-catching visual snippets for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or as dynamic overlays in larger projects. While its current focus on short clips limits its use for longer narratives, it's a fantastic option for those who need quick, illustrative visuals without a steep learning curve. Kling AI, Runway AI, and Hailuo AI present distinct approaches to AI video generation, catering to different needs and preferences of YouTube creators. Kling AI differentiates itself with a strong emphasis on generating realistic motion and its ability to create longer short-form videos, up to 3 minutes, in its Pro plan. Its Elements feature for maintaining character consistency across scenes is a notable advantage. Kling AI is best suited for creators who need believable animations, realistic simulations for educational content or marketing, and even for generating 3D game cinematics. However, its free plan has limitations on video length, and some users have reported slower processing times and occasional inconsistencies in prompt accuracy. Pricing for Kling AI includes a free plan with daily credits, and paid plans like Standard, around $7 to $10 per month, Pro, around $26 to $37 per month, and Premier, around $65 to $92 per month, offer increasing credits and features like watermark removal and image upscaling. The target audience for Kling AI includes YouTube creators who prioritize high-quality, realistic video generation and longer short-form content, and who appreciate an intuitive interface. Runway AI stands out as a comprehensive platform offering a suite of over 30 AI-powered creative tools, including multiple generative models like Gen 1, Gen 2, and the advanced Gen 3 Alpha. Unlike Kling and Hailuo, Runway AI integrates a robust video editing suite directly within the platform. It excels in providing a holistic solution for video generation and editing, offering unique tools like Act 1 for facial animation and audio-to-video conversion. Runway AI is best for creators who need a wide range of AI tools within one platform, from generating various video styles to advanced editing and special effects. However, its pricing is generally higher, with the standard plan starting around $12 to $15 per month, Pro around $28 to $35 per month, and unlimited at $76 to $95 per month. The free plan is also quite limited. Runway AI's target audience includes creative professionals, filmmakers, marketers, and businesses seeking advanced AI video generation and comprehensive editing capabilities within a single, integrated environment. Hailu AI, developed by Minimax, focuses on simplifying video creation, primarily generating short videos around 5 to 6 seconds in length from text and images. It boasts strong multilingual support, particularly in Chinese and English. Features like automatic prompt refinement and the subject reference tool for maintaining character consistency are notable strengths. Hailu AI is best for YouTube creators needing quick, short-form content, especially for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok, and those targeting international audiences with multilingual content. However, its limited video length can be a drawback for longer content, and some users have reported occasional long processing times and rendering inaccuracies. Hailu AI offers a free plan with daily credits and watermarks, and paid plans like Standard, around $10 to $15 per month, Pro, around $35 to $55 per month, and Unlimited, around $95 per month, provide more credits, faster processing, and watermark removal. The target audience for Hailu AI includes social media creators and marketers who prioritize ease of use, rapid creation of short, engaging videos, and multilingual capabilities.